Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to explain you what is zindex. So the zindex property in CSS is used to define the stack order of elements. Elements with a higher zindex are displayed in front of elements with a lower zindex. So if I go to the browser and if I refresh here, you can see we have three boxes here, and here I have given zindex value 1 for the red one and -1 for the blue one. As it is -1, that's why the zindex value is lower, that's why it is under the box 1. And if I press, let's say, +1, and now if I go to the browser, if I refresh it, and you can see box 2 is on the box 1, top of the box 1. Now let's just change the zindex of box 3. So let's say I want to change it 3, and now it will go top of the box 2, and if you refresh it, then you can see the result. So I think now zindex is clear to you. Actually, zindex property in CSS is used to define the stack order of elements, and elements with higher zindex are displayed in front of element with a lower zindex, and this is the result. Here you can see if you change the value to 0, then you can see that the red one will come up, the blue one will go down to the red one. If I refresh it, now you can see the result. So this is actually zindex. So if this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.